I mean, it's just a label. It's just a label of a black person who's been given some more privileges. I'm looking for more privileges. I don't know of a black person out here who isn't looking for more privileges, who isn't looking for more than what they already have. So you can call every black person on the planet a potential buffer if that black person gets more tomorrow than they had today out of the system of white supremacy. Because somebody's going to look at them and say, looks like you're doing all right. I'm not doing all right. Why is it you're doing all right? And I ain't doing all right. So therefore, you are a buffer between me and the people who are oppressing me. What I want to say is the bottom line about this whole bufferism business. You got to deal directly with the white supremacists. That's what Michael Corleone knew in The Godfather 1. He says, we're out here fooling with gunslingers and whatnot. He says, we'll be doing that forever. He said, I'm not going to keep arguing with people like Mo Green and the rest of these people and the Tatalias. He says, Tatalia's a pimp. All right? Look at the movie The Godfather, because the structure of the system of white supremacy is based on that movie. Or rather, the movie is based on the structure of white supremacy. If you want to put it in that context, then I do. Because it's the whole history, the modern history of the Roman Empire in a small context, which is also about white supremacy, because white supremacy is based on that model. So if you're dealing with, you just want to go around, being angry about buffers and all like that, it is my analysis, and I'm going to say this flat out, all you'll do is wind up driving yourself crazy, because there's no solution to that without going at the white supremacists directly. And that's what I tell people in a practical sense on a job, because I have black people who call me, and they'll tell me, well, we can't talk to the head man because they got all these black people in between us and the head man, and we can never get to the head man. And I simply tell them, you're going to have to. Because they say, well, if we could just get rid of this black person that's in between us and the man, then everything will be all right. I say, who do you think put the black person there? The black person was put there to keep you all out of the office.